Hello everyone, welcome back to another Blender video, and in this video we'll be learning how to add keyframes to a 3D model and to make it in a working animation. So I need to animate this 3D model into a walking position, and this 3D model has been downloaded via an open source website, so you could also do the same thing. So first of all, I need to make the animation into the timeline mode. So yeah, as you can see, this is the timeline mode where you can add keyframes according to the number of add the number of frames that you want to. And for this I'll be selecting, first of all I'll be selecting its foot and press G so that I can change it in the Y direction. Now I'll select her hand, same thing, G in the Y direction. Yeah, something like this. And I'll press R to rotate her hand. Now I'll press the auto keyframe mode. This auto keyframe mode helps you to automatically select the keyframes at the parts of body even if you forget to add it individually. So I selected it. Now again I will select her foot and press G to move it down. So yeah, as you can see, this keyframe has been added over here. Before that, what I will do, I'll go to 10 seconds and now I'll select the foot and press G to put it here, and similarly with the hand also. Yeah, like this. Now at 20 seconds, 20-second keyframe, I'll select the right foot, I'll press G and similarly with the right hand press G and R. Now at 30th frame, again I'll select her right foot, press G to move it forward, and her hand. Yeah, like this. Now at 40th frame, I'll select her left foot again and press G to move it a little bit backward, and similarly with her hand, press G and then X to move it a little bit right, and then press G again to move it forward, and R. So what we have done, we have created a running motion of the lady via using some important keyframes. So when I move it from the starting, so as you can see, we can look at the lady to be in a running posture, moving forward, and these yellow parts which you can see are the individual keyframes of a particular part of a body which you have added the animation. So what I have done, I have selected the part of a body and then moved it accordingly. The G key shortcut helps you to move the part in any direction as you wish, and if you want to move it in a specific direction, then you press the X, Y or the Z keyword to move it along a specific axis. And the R shortcut helps you to rotate the part in any axis, and similarly if you want to rotate it in a specific axis, then you press X, Y or Z respectively. So for this left hand, we can see we have added 2 keyframes, and for the right hand we can see we have added 2 keyframes in the 20th and the 30th keyframe. For the right foot, we can see we have added at the 20th and the 30th frame respectively, and for the left foot at the 10th and the 40th frame. So now if you want to run the animation, we can just play it. Yeah, and as you can see, animation works properly. Like if you want if I want to play it again, we can see that yeah, animation works, and we can see that her legs and hands are moving in the right direction as we want. So she changed her direction of movement in the opposite way. For example, if she was moving with her left leg, so now she would be moving with her right leg. So yeah, this is a basic animation that you could also perform, and furthermore you could also add more keyframes to it. For example, if you want to make her jump, then you can select both of her feet and add keyframes, and then after a certain frame, then you can select both the legs, for example like this, and then press G and press the Z axis to make her look like she is jumping. So yeah, that could also be done, and it is as per the user's requirement as to what the programmer or the designer needs to do. So yeah, this is the basic stuff that I just did, and if you liked it, do tell me in the comments. And yeah, thank you so much guys for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Keep rocking.